Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to explore the ebooks for your child. To explore the ebooks, you have to download one app named as Next Curriculum. So first we will go to the Play Store and download the app called Next Curriculum. Next Curriculum. Okay, so here is the app. After coming to this app, we will install this app. Now it's getting installed. It will take few minutes to install. Now the app is getting installed. It would take some time to install. Now it is scanning and the app is installed. Now you can see here two options are there, uninstall and open. So we'll click on open to open the app. Now here the app is open and you can see there are some features which you have to see. Now here is the thing where you can learn, teach, experience. You can learn your textbooks or your books anywhere in your mobile and everything. Here, with the help of your QR code, you can get the books. Now done. Okay. So now here, Next Curriculum app is asking you for the permission. So here you have to give them allow. Okay. Now, once the app is open, now here you have to do your registration part. So you have to register yourself. Click on registration. Here you all will be having your email IDs. So you have to enter your email IDs. Now I'll enter my email ID over here and select your role. So now you have to select your role as a student. Okay. Next you have to go for the board. There are n number of options. You have to go for CBSE. Okay. This is your. Now here you have to go for your class. So you can select whatever is your class. According to that you can select your class. I'll select second. Okay. Now I'll go for next. Okay. Now when I go for the next, here it is asking me for a verification code. Now I'll be receiving a mail where I will be having a verification code. So now I'll enter my verification code. So my verification code 274899. This verification codes varies from IDs to IDs. Okay, each and every ID will get new verification code. Fine. Now once you are completing with your verification round, then you have to enter your details. Okay. So first you have got the country India. Yes. Next you have to enter your PIN code. Okay. So as I stay in Kalyan, so we have to enter it in the form of 421306 or 301. It depends upon east or west you stay. Okay. Next you have to select your school. Selecting your school, that is St. Xavier's. You have to write Xavier's. Okay. International School. Here you will select the option St. Xavier's. Xavier's International School. Okay, so here we got the option of St. Xavier's International School. Then next is done. Now once it is done, so it will be appearing somewhat like this. Now here there is a scan the QR code. Here you have to scan the QR code or you have to enter an 8-digit number. Okay, that is said as digit key or activated key. Now we come to the point of activated key. Now this activation key you will find behind of your textbook. Okay, for that I'll just play this video in front of you so that you all can get an idea from where you will get your activation keys. Okay, so just go through this video. We will go a small video. Okay, now this is your textbook. Okay, now we can see at the end of the page you have a QR code present here. Yes, this mobile is opening the next curriculum app and it is going here. The same dialog box is open in this mobile. Now manually they are feeding that entering that product key on. They will scan the code. Now see, they are scanning the QR code. Now it is loading and done. You have got your textbook in your mobile. So now you have seen this thing. Again I'll go back. Now I'll show you one QR code. Okay, I will enter a code and even I will scan the things and I'll show you. So first I'll enter the key. Okay, so I have a key here with me, that is just a minute, N3WA D, next is 7NP. Okay, so here is this and now I'll scan. I will just allow it and then see here. Within a second you got this. Congratulations. So now we will proceed for it. So here you can see all the Hindi textbooks. All the Hindi textbooks chapters are available for you. Okay, all the chapters are available for you. In this manner you got your book. So this is applicable for each and every standard. The same procedures you have to apply. Okay, so now I'll go back with it. Now so here I got the book. Okay, Hindi book. So now what I'll do, I'll activate this. Again I'll enter the digits. And I'll submit. So I'll get the next book. So if you want to activate your books, you have to scan your QR code or you have to enter this digit key or activated key which is present in your textbook. Thanks for watching the video.